Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and it's time for my final review of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so this is my final review after about 2 weeks with the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. I'm definitely shocked at how good this phone actually is. Now, it's my first actually phone that's a Mate 10 or like the Mate 9 series or whatever. Like, I do have the Mate SE, but that's not in the same league as this one. This is on another level. But if you guys want to check out a comparison of the cameras between the Mate SE and the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, I will actually have a link down below to that. So the first thing that I really like about this phone is the design. It's a beautiful shine. Like, if I did have the blue one, I would definitely be in love with this, and I probably would have to argue with Huawei for having to send this back. But I am definitely feeling the way this phone feels. It's a little bit slippery, there's no lie about that, and there's only like a certain amount of cases that you can actually get with this device, but I'm definitely feeling that. Big shout out to Tudia for that case that I've been rocking. I do have a link down below if you guys want to pick up that case. But as far as the 18:9, 1080p, full HD plus, I'm not going to say it looks bad. It definitely looks good. I don't see no problem with the colors. As you guys can see, it's pretty vibrant in my eyes, so I don't have a problem with the screen. I know a lot of people will love to have a 1440p display because you could definitely shine over a lot of people, especially at that price point that they originally had it at $799. But for right now, it is on sale for $650, I think, on Amazon and on Best Buy for the time being, but I'm definitely thinking that the price is worth it. So as far as the updates, the phone is still on a December security patch, but it is running 8.0. I'm not sure if they're going to run 8.1 anytime soon. But I'm definitely feeling the way the phone is. It's pretty smooth. I don't have no problems as far as hiccups or anything like that. And there is no lag on this device. There's no lag on this device. Seriously. This phone is pretty smooth. I think with the Kirin 970 processor, I think it's optimized to where it could compete with any flagship that's out right now, including the flagships that have the A45 processor. So the fingerprint scanner is probably one of the smoothest fingerprint scanners that I've seen in a very long time. I think that Huawei was probably one of the first ones who actually had the innovation of having the fingerprint scanner in the back and making it work super smoothly without any type of hiccups. So let's get into battery life. The battery life has been astounding for the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. This is probably one of the longest running batteries that I've had ever since the Blade V8 Pro. Now, I do have the Galaxy S9 Plus, I do have the Pixel, the iPhone 10 and whatnot. This one puts those batteries to shame, and I'm not even gonna lie. The screen on time that I get, I will have it posted on the screen right now. It's pretty great. It's probably one of the highest that I've had in a very long time. With the S9 Plus, I'm getting about 5 hours of screen on time, which is, it's solid, but for the price point, I think it should be higher than that. But that probably has to do with the 1080p display that we have here. So I'm not sure if I bring down the screen resolution on the S9 Plus, I could possibly get similar results. So I just wanted to talk about fast charging. This phone charges so fast with the including fast charging adapter. This thing is like a brick. So here it goes right here. This thing is not your average size. Like, okay, so here's an example of how big this charger actually is. Put that to the side. So here's an iPad charger right here. This is the Huawei Mate 10 Pro charger. Like, this thing charges your device super quick, and it is definitely a boss. If you guys want to charge quick, it's definitely one of those shish, shower, and shave chargers. So what is bad about the Mate 10 Pro? Well, the Mate 10 Pro is missing a couple of things that I think is essential for a phone at a $799 price tag. So it's missing the latest Android updates. That's number one. It's missing wireless charging, even though it does have a glass back. And another thing is that it doesn't have a Quad HD display, which kind of bothers me. Not really bad because it looks good, but for $799, it should have that. So as far as the price tag, I think the price tag is around $650 right now, and it could go down even more. And you could probably get an open box sale from Best Buy for less than $600, but I'm definitely feeling this phone. I know how the P20 Pro was just announced, but that's only for international. folks, and if you guys want to import that, you can do that, but you will lose your warranty for the US. So in my eyes, guys, the Mate 10 Pro is definitely worth the price tag for $650 and below. I think it was priced a little bit high. The cameras are good, front and back. I'm not gonna lie about that. And if you guys want to see a video of the Huawei Mate SE and the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, I will have that link down below so you can see how the camera is on basic auto mode. So it does have the manual settings as well. I forgot to mention that, but this phone is definitely a great device. So if you guys want to buy this phone, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and more tech to come. So, to the next video, guys.